Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about the collinear and coplanar points. So what is collinear points? Collinear points are points that lies on the same line. Okay, for example, we have 3 points and I'm going to name this point as point A, B, and C. And these points are found on the same line. So as you can see, this point A, B, and C are collinear points because they lies on the same line or found on the same line. So remember, when we say collinear points, these are the points that found on the same line. Okay? Tandaan yan ha, dapat yung points ay makikita sa iisang line lang para masabi natin na that points are collinear points. Now, how about if we have this figure? As you can see, we have point E, point F, point G, and point D. Did you know that point D, E, F, and G are non-collinear points? Why non-collinear points? Because when we say non-collinear points, there are points that do not lie on the same line. Ibig sabihin, mayroong points na hindi makikita or wala doon sa iisang line. So in this given, point D is not on the same line. So therefore, D, E, F, G are non-collinear points, but E, F, G are collinear points. Okay? Ingat tayo dun ha. So when we say non-collinear points, mayroon ng isa o higit pa na points na wala dun sa iisang line. Okay? So again, D, E, F, G are non-collinear points, but E, F, G are collinear points. Next is coplanar points. When we say coplanar points, are points that lie on the same plane. So for example, we have this plane and we have this point H, point I, and point J. So point H, I, and J are coplanar points because all the points are found on the same plane. Makikita mo siya na sa iisang plane. How about if we have this point? Point K, point L, point M, and point N. Point K, L, M, and N are non-coplanar points because point N is not in the plane or not inside or in the same plane. Because when we say non-coplanar points, these are the points that do not lie on the same plane. So again, point K, L, M, and N are non-coplanar points, but K, L, and M are coplanar points. So remember, when we say non-coplanar, merong point na wala sa iisang plane. Or na, kumbaga para siyang naliligaw. Wala siya doon sa same plane. Okay? Now, let's try this. Using this figure, let's answer the following question. So, we are going to name the 3 collinear points. So, in this given, MIC or point MIC are collinear points. And also, THA is a collinear point. So, again, when we say collinear points, it is the point that found on the same line. Next is, can you name the 3 coplanar points? So when we say 3 coplanar points, it is a point that found on the same plane. So there's a lot of coplanar points there, but you can name at least one. So one of that is point MCA. Next is TMA. Next question is points collinear to point T and A. So this one is T and A. So the question is, what is or are the points that is collinear to point T and A? So as you can see, there is point H that is collinear to T and A. So therefore, the answer is point H. Next question number 4. Intersection of line segment MA and line segment TA. So, when we say intersection, ano yung kanilang common? Saan sila nagbanggaan? Saan sila nagkaroon ng common? Okay, so now, let's check. Ito yung MA. So, this one is MA. And this one is TA. So, anong meron kay line segment MA na meron din kay line segment TA? So, the answer is point A. Okay? So, that is the intersection or yung common ni line segment MA and line segment TA. Next, question number 5. What is the common in both CA and TA? So, this one is CA and this one is TA. So, what will be the answer? So, the answer is point A. So, that's all for today. Next lesson, subsets of a line. Thank you for watching. Happy learning, everyone.